Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. So today it's evening time, like 4:30, and me and my niece, you can see, we both are going to temple. There is a small temple across the river, so we are going to the temple. Today is Saturday, so we will offering something to to God. So here you can see there are shepherd. Shepherd has come here. So you can see here there are so many sheep and goat. So shepherds group are going to something. There are so many big goats and sheep, ram also here. So they are scary. So my friends, so we just passed that shepherd. There were so many sheep and goats. Also that dogs and we actually didn't see the horse, but they also have some horse. So now we have reached here the river. So we are going to across the river. So you can see there is so many sand here. So very water flow is like very slow, you can't say, but the water is very cold right now. So we are going to cross that river from these steps. These are steps we are going to cross. Come, come. Yeah. Yes, you can see she is crossing. Come. She is scaring. So you can see in this ravine, it's a ravine, small stream, not river. So there are so many big stones actually. And hold it. I'm going to show something to you. This is called this. This is called moss. M-O-S, moss.
Yes.
Give me. Come. Oh my God. Actually, there are some slippery stone here, big rock. So there. Actually, it used to be very deep pond here in the river. So we used to swim in our childhood. Yeah. So we are crossing the river now. So many big stone here in this river. It's not wide stream. It's very small, like narrow stream. Okay. So that is like a okay. So now, oh, someone has put that fancy here. You can say this is like a. Actually, you feel like in video this is like a jungle, but this is not a jungle. Here, actually, all these field, you can see, all these field they were used to like a wheat crop field and paddy field. Here is also a stream, small stream. So that stream actually meet with big stream. Now we are going ahead. We are heading towards the temple. Now I will show you natural source of water. So that here is the natural source of water, grounded. Here is grounded water, very neat and clean, and very tasty and sweet to drink. So that is the beauty of nature. So we actually used to drink that water like 5 and 6 years ago, because that water supply, like in our home, water supply came from this tank. Okay. Here is a small stream. Across that natural small narrow stream. So these are all grass field. You can see here. This is very small grass, green and small grass. Actually, animals eat this grass. Walk fast. Don't walk slowly. We have to about to reach temple on time, because we have to come. So that is the tank. That is the tank of the natural water. Okay, and I will show you the flow, the stream of water. Yeah. Oh yes, so that is the natural groundwater that actually come from the side. Want to drink? Then drink. Is drinking that natural water. That is grounded water, very neat, clean, and sweet. So we used to drink that water 5 and 6 years ago in our home, but right now it's closed. That supply is closed now, so it is abundant now. Nobody actually live here, and that is not running right now. It's stopped. So now we are climbing in the ascending way. Actually, we used to it. So see Shing, thank God, tomorrow is Sunday. That's why she came. Otherwise, she couldn't come. We are ascending now. It's a steep way. Okay, so I will show you something when we climbed up. She is climbing and she is panting. She's saying that she's feeling tired. Yeah, it's natural, but we are villagers people. My friend, we are going about to reach. So here it's all filled. The way is paved, so we are going through that way, paved way. That is all green field, wheat crop field, and some grass field. So people have sowed something. You can say people have cultivated wheat and grass for their animal. So that is nice. She's pacing slowly ahead. So we are going about to reach. You can hear that bell of inside the temple. That is temple, and that is link road. That link road actually connect to the main NH highway road. So my friend, we have performed prayer in temple. So we spent 10 and 15 minutes there. So it's a Shiv temple, but there are so other idol like Radha Krishna and Shani and Bajrangbali. So many idol there. So some we offered flower and some other thing to God and bent down bent down our head under the feet of God. So you can see here we are eating that laddu, bathu ke laddu. That's very good for health, and you should eat in winter season. Bathu ke laddu. I don't know what's called in English for bathu. That is bathu. If you know, then you can comment me. So we are going back to our home. We are going back to our home from this same way. Some part it's descent, but in some part it's steep way. So here you can see it's plain area. So many villagers field here. They have cultivated wheat, and it's also there alongside the road. It's a village, very big village, and it's actually this land actually belongs to villager. So they actually come and cut the grass, and they actually take the grass to their animal. That is bamboo tree. There are so many bamboo trees, bunch of bamboo. People have actually installed fancy also here to cover their field, because some animal actually come and destroy the crop. So that's why people have installed that fancy. It's very high fancy, so animal will not jump from that fancy. It's a safe. Actually 5 and 10 years ago there there didn't used to stray animal like ox, cow, and other. But right now there are so many stray animal, ox, cow, and other. They actually come and destroy the wheat crop. In our home they also come there, and 5 days ago, I think 5 and 6 ox they actually came and destroy our field, nearby field, like from home. So they came actually I think in 12 and 8 o'clock in night. So we didn't notice. You can see there people they are bringing water from that natural source of water. So we are descending in the way. So it's right now like in a return it's descending, but after crossing the river Actually, it is a steep way for in a returning time. We have reached between the way to home. So here you can see there are so many poplar tree. That is poplar tree. So that poplar tree, actually one poplar tree, big tree, that then when it will mature, so it is sold like very expensive, in expensive rate. So people actually they are earning so much from that poplar tree. That is small river, like a stream, ravine, we can say. So there are so many uh, sheep and goat. they they are watching they are watching like they have seen something awkward. We are also human. Why are you scaring? So they have come to drink water. Okay. So we are going to across the river. Okay. So many big rock and stone here. It's a steep part of the way. So we are climbing. Actually, you can say it's very narrow way. So we have to climb very carefully. And also slippery. So if we actually put our step on that slippery way, then we can fall down. So we do not just fall down. So that's why carefully we are climbing in that steep way.